Look at that rich color. You want to blend your beet and potato until it is really smooth.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing for you a beetroot and Irish punch. So first I'm going to peel my Irish and my beets. I'm using 1-to-1 ratio, so I'm using 3 beets, 3 potatoes. I'm going to get that ready for you, then I'm going to boil those. So guys, I've washed my beets and I'm going to cut them. I've also peel and wash my potatoes, and I'm going to cut those into small slices for you. Doesn't matter how you cut them, because once they're boiled you're gonna blend them, so just cut them until they're suitable. So for those of you who are anemic, beetroot is very good for you, rich in vitamin K and all the necessary vitamins and nutrients that you need to combat some of those immune problems. So I'm going to boil my beet and potato in about 3 cups of water, and that's it. The same water that I used to boil it is what I'm going to use to blend it together. Okay, I'm pouring my water in. So that's 4 cups of water. So I'm going to let that cook until everything is tender, and then I'll come back and show you how I make my punch. So guys, I am back and I'm going to be blending my beet punch right now. And for my punch I'll be using Irish mash, nutrament, you can use supligent if you have it, vanilla, some salt, allspice, and cinnamon powder. You can use nutmeg as well if you do have that. I do not have it at this moment, so I'm gonna leave that out. I'm sure the allspice will suffice for that. Now let's get blending. As you are aware that I boiled my my beet and Irish and I let it cool, so now I'm gonna just scoop this out and put it into my blender, and I'm using the same water that I used to boil it to put that in, to blend it, sorry.
Look at that rich color. You want to blend your beet and potato until it is really smooth, because look at that pretty color. You should smell the beet. Now I'm going to move on to the next set. If your juice gets too thick, you can always add some more water, but for me I'm going to leave it as thick as possible because I'm going to be adding my other liquid over there. So for now I'm going to leave it as this because it's thick right now. Tell you what guys, I'm going to transfer it from this container back to my pot, as I'll have, since I use this to boil it, it cannot really, since I'll have enough space in there to mix everything. And I'm going to add some water to this to get out that additional juice from the jug. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in and mix. You just all see that. Alright, so I'm adding my Irish mash. I'm going to be adding my nutriment. As I said before, you can add supligent if you have it. If you don't like milk, you could substitute this for almond milk. And all the milk that I'll be using, you could substitute it for your milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This stuff, vanilla. A dash of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. I have my milk. I'm gonna mix this now. Then I'm gonna add my milk. For my sweetener, I'm going to be using 1 can of Sweeten condensed milk. Now I'm gonna throw in all my milk. When I was growing up, my parents used to make a lot of fruit drinks and vegetable juice as well. So these are something that I grew up on. It's good variation to your juice. It's all natural. Now you're going to incorporate this properly. Remember, you do not have to use the sweetened condensed milk if you do not like it, or if you're allergic to it. You can use sugar and whatever milk form you are able to tolerate. So I'm going to mix this, put it in the fridge and let it cool down. Or you can serve it over ice if it is really sweet. This. So you can take some more sugar here. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use brown sugar if you have it. I'm using the white. This juice is a bit foody, so it's filling. It can be a meal replacement. Please try this at home and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Remember to like, share, leave a comment below. Let me know how this turns out for you, and send me some other recipes that you have tried at home, other juices that you have tried, and I'll whip up some of those too. So that beet gave me a jug, and I still have some more here. I'm going to put it in a smaller container and place them in the fridge and let it cool down, and I'll come back and show you when I'm serving them for dinner today. There you have it, my lovely people. My beetroot punch served with a bit of June plum and a straw. Guys, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this. Try it at home and let me know what you think of it. Bye for now. It's your girl Inspiring Charm. Thank you always for your support. I appreciate all of you, my subscribers.